What else is left? Let's take a brush and do this. The leftovers. Ooh. Okay. Not bad. What's up guys? Karibuni tena sana to my channel. It's your favorite Kenyan babe, Mimo Karanja. So anyway guys, welcome to today's vlog. I can't even talk. Karibuni sana to today's vlog. This weekend is quite eventful for me because I have a lot of things going on, especially in terms of TikTok. In case you don't know, now you know that I'm a Kenyan TikToker. Yes, your girl here is a Kenyan TikToker. So this weekend niko na maform kadha wa kadha in terms of TikTok. I'm getting ready Nwanda mnaona nikiongea hivi because I am quite late. Your girl is late. Nimesherewa kusherewa. So I am going to hook up today, being on a Saturday, with another Kenyan TikToker. She's mostly she's a Kikuyu TikToker. I'm also known for my Kikuyu TikTok. So tunaenda kufanya collab na yeye. We did a video like where she stitched my video and it went viral. Tumekuwa tukiduet each other's video. She's like a TikTok friend of mine now at this point, but hatujawai. We decided, you know what, let's meet up and do collabs. So that's where I'm headed to. And then tomorrow I also have another event that will be going on. So stay tuned for that. So I'll take you guys with me also tomorrow. Tomorrow's event will be full of so many, I'm not even joking, so many Kenyan TikTokers, especially the popular ones. So sijui nani wanakam, but I'm just saying stay tuned, there'll be a pool party. Anyway guys, enough talking. Just spend a weekend with a Kenyan TikToker and you see how it goes down this weekend for a Kenyan TikToker. And yeah, let's get this vlog rolling.
It's going too fast for me.
Sawa, eka hiyo pole pole. Nitafanya tu
but sasa uji slow down kwa reaction. Mimi nimezoea kufanya slowly.
Mimi kwa hiyo enzi za musically we used to do, that was the best. So guys, I got to Eve's place. This is Eve.
Hi, Mimo's vlog.
Yes, so if you know me from TikTok, then I think you definitely know her because I think we have the same audience from TikTok. We both do Kikuyu TikToks, and that's I think what people know us for mostly. So I'm at a place. We've done a bunch of TikToks that you guys are going to enjoy. We've done YouTube. Check out. She also has a YouTube channel. Ambia watu kuangalia wapi.
YouTube channel yangu ni Eve Dance Daughter. So come over there. Utampata pia. I have hosted her over there.
So we've done a video for her channel and for my channel. So right now we're just doing a bunch of TikTok.
Kora ya tumia makiruma na mucurio ine ndu wa mucurio mecurio ya gua kiruma na brot kora baya gatatu netigithio koma kakotwaroko ye mundu mukatanie mundu mukakuite kiria kuite nie ndari nyina inia ni roko na mundu takui ogo kamukora hasande embamba pake ya kifa.
Yeah, we are done now. It's around 6 something.
It's actually almost 7. It's a few minutes to 7.
From what time did we start?
I think 1 or
and I was late. We had planned to
start. African timer. Utahave kubadilika. Hiyo ni feedback. So you are nini.
But anyway, I nilikuwa tulifika 11, tulifika 1. So from 1 till now we've done TikToks and YouTube. We've done 2 YouTube videos, but I think
it's been amazing.
I think to really accomplish what we wanted.
Yeah.
Because you have a video, I have a video. We've done TikToks. So I don't think Yeah, how was it though?
It was a really good afternoon. I love your energy, like honestly, I don't think na nilikuambia hivi hata off camera.
Yeah.
Like without you being like this, mimi nadhani
flop. The collaboration
it's
again that down south.
Yeah, it's working. So
but I feel like
thank you for being here. Thank you for spending time with me. Making content with me. It's been really nice. I don't have a friend who can relate to this. And so meeting you has been really like amazing.
That is amazing. I also love your personality and your insights in life a lot. And I think we should do this more often.
We definitely
for TikTok. Nasikia kuna watu pale TikTok wameshaanza kunyongwa.
Wameanza kutulilia hatukuitwa. Mtaitwa tu siku yenu itafika.
Itafika. But it was a good afternoon. We've done a bunch of TikToks. Follow her on TikTok and both YouTube at Eve's Dance Daughter. And she has amazing content. Come on and follow TikTok. Then you should be following her too, because we do almost the same thing.
Please come over there. Let's have some fun.
But anyway guys, I'll see you tomorrow now when I go for the pool party event for TikTokers. And I think I'll sign out at this point. Bye.
So they won't see me again.
So
bye.
Bye. Hey guys, I'm just getting ready to step out for the TikTok event at Westwood Hotel. However, is it just me who struggles with what to fit in your small bag when you're headed out? Because my outfit, I don't want to carry a big bag. Plus this bag of mine, this is the bag that I want to carry. It's quite small. It's an H&M bag. Lazima nionyeshe. It's H&M. So I'm really struggling with what to carry because I'm one of those people nabebanga kila kitu kwa bag na kuanga na kila kitu. But anyway, let's see what we can fit in there together. So hizi ndio vitu zenye nimeona I can fit, and they are my essentials. I can never step out of the house without like my panty liners, my wipes, my tissues. I'm going to fit them into this bag because I prefer them having a sanitary pouch. Ndio nikitoa kitu moja, not everything is falling. My hand sanitizer is important, and then nitabeba hii pouch ndogo because it fits my cards, my pesa, my keys are also inside there, and then of course my lip gloss, msijali imechaka juu ya kuwekanisha na vitu mingi, and my hand lotion. And if ikikubali kutoshea hizi, then I'm going to fit in these sunglasses. So let's see if they can all fit, because I think these are all my essential. My keys are inside here, my cards, my everything else is inside here. So let's see if everything can fit. I just got to the venue at Westwood where I'm going to meet the other TikTokers. I'm going to show you everything that is going down here. So far so good. I feel like everything is okay. But let me just take you around Nahema hivi because I was really late. So nimekam haraka. I went to the wrong place at first. So I had to rush here. But anyway, finally nimefika. So let me take you along with me and you join my afternoon. Today is on Sunday the 7th. You see how TikTokers mingle, how the event went down, and everything about TikTok and Kenyan TikTokers and the Westwood Hotel.
ungekosa mimi ningekumada. One of your.
No, I'm saying 2 of my favorite TikTokers, Riziki and akijinako ndo kupanga kumesprout. Garnet. Ati?
Nichuie.
Oh, unataka nikuchuie?
For air burger.
It's a air burgers. We are chewing air burgers. Yeah. Like that.
Nimekuweka status leo.
Leo gani hiyo?
Ati. Tell me what to do.
Without telling me. Yeah. Hello. Maina.
Tena.
Time to eat now before we continue with TikToks.
Yeah, what up, it's your boy Stephen. I'll record.
Na record.
Oh,
Hebu kuja hii side, hebu iko poa.
Siko fiti ni video.
Guy.
Naweka. Wow! So guys, I just want to end this vlog at this point. This is how my Sunday has been on the 7th of February where I met other TikTokers. Now we want to eat cake ya February babies. Watu wa January tumezoea kunyanyasa. But anyway guys, that's where I'm going to end this vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!